This was with a ruler. We just sort of like just hitting in some beats with a little drone bass line playing in the background. So you can hear that one there. I'm afraid it is 3:30 in the morning, so you'll have to bear with me, my neighbours. But here we go. So I've got a little drone going on. Footsteps. What I'll do is I'll turn off the bass. Endless possibilities, really. Very subtle. We'll just... Come on.